egg sauce tastes amazing when prepared this way. Hi lovelies, thank you for stopping by and welcome to Recipes by Jenny. To a saucepan add some olive oil, then add blended ginger and garlic and chili. Saute until fragrant. And at this point add sliced mushrooms and salt. Also add sliced cabbage and fresh herbs. I'm using some fresh thyme, oregano and rosemary. For seasoning add paprika powder and black pepper. Lastly, we would add some spring onions and saute until the cabbage and mushrooms are well done. I spent around 7 to 10 minutes. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Once the cabbage and mushrooms are well done, remove the stems of the fresh herbs and then add your eggs. Mix together and saute for around 2 minutes. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. And voila, our egg sauce is ready to be enjoyed. Absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching the video if you've watched until this point. And until next time, remain blessed.